Hello sir, welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you this website which I have developed for you. So I will show you some feature of this website and how to control this website and upload your one product and this website. I'm MDLL from Bangladesh. I am founder of BD Web Foundation and this is my profile. You can find my information, skill and project experience. First of all, I want to tell you that this website has all of kind and feature include, so you don't have to worry about any features. Also, I will give you 3 years free hosting, so you don't have to buy hosting separately. Now let's see how responsive the website is and whether this website will support any device in the web browser. So I inspect this website using my browser inspector, and first of all I checking the tablet mode and refresh this website. So you can see now the website has tablet mode and here is the menu option, the main menu, and the categories are here: tablet, laptop and others category. And you can see the slider show the top and some category are here and the product, and the bottom bar has been home, order and my account. If I click the account option, you can log in the as a user and admin. Also, if you want to create your own account, you can register here and give a username, email and password. You can visit the website as a customer. Also, this website has multi-vendor function. So if you want to more vendors, so you can register here as a vendor. So now I close the pop-up menu and checking the mobile mode. So one more I refresh this website and you can see the website has been same to same with, I mean, full responsive, and the slider you can see, and the category pictures, banners and the tags category, and here is the product scroll bar. So I think you understand how the website is responsive. So I close my inspector window and now I want to show you how to buy a product on this website. So I click the shop page and you can see the 57 result, that means the product 57, and you can see some product has been shown. So I want to buy this product, and the name is air thermometer and the customer review has 0, and you can add to cart your this product and buy now. Also you can see the product image and product gallery image and the SKU number and category are here, and the tags. And if you want to like this product, you can like on the Facebook and also share on Facebook, Twitter, and others platform, online platform, Gmail, LinkedIn, and some related product. And you can see the description box and the additional information. So this is the additional information: name, color, brand, material, and product type, medical. So now I click the add to cart button. Okay, you see the product has been added to our cart. So now I click the view cart option. So this is the cart page, and the product and the price you can see, and the quantity only one, and total you can see. Okay, so I want to one more product, so I click the one and is automatically upload, and the total are updated. So now you can see the here I show you the total. You can see total and subtotal. So if you have already have a coupon, you can use the coupon code and want some discount. So now we have to proceed to checkout. So I click the proceed to checkout button, and the billing information. So the first name, last name, and if you have a company, you can put your company information and country for any kind of country in the world, and your street address, that means pickup address, and town and city, then country and postcode, then phone number, email. So I just use my demo information, and you can see my name is MD Alal and my company name is BDUA Foundation, and I'm from Bangladesh, so it's automatically selected Bangladesh, and Dhaka is my town, and already has been successful. If you have a additional note, you want to write this additional information here. So here your product you can see, and payment method has 1, 2, and 3. You can transfer your payment through the bank transfer and cash on delivery, and the last one is PayPal. So I choose the cash on delivery, and now check these terms and condition and place order. And you can see we have the checkout page, and you can see our order has been received, and our order number, and the date, total, and payment method cash on delivery. and here is our information, same to same. Okay sir, I think you understand how to a visitor buy and shop this website. So now I want to show you how to control this website as an admin, because before I wanna show you as a customer. So now I want to show you how to control and upload any product and information on this website. So I have sent you the username and password, you can see. So I just click the login or register area, and here is the pop-up. So here is the username and password. Now I click the remember option and login, and you can see sending user information, please wait, take a while. So now we have successful include our website backend, I mean admin area, and here is the dashboard. So first of all I want to show you the order has been received. So you can see the product and the WooCommerce option. So I click the WooCommerce and click the order option. So this is the our current order, you can see 3 minutes ago, and now the status has been processing and the currency and the vendor information name has been or. So if you want to full details want to show, if you can click here and open a pop-up. So here is the billing details, my name MD Alal, my company name, my location, country, town, postcode, and my uh, country name, and then my email, phone number, and payment method cash on delivery, and my product has been quantity 2 and total, you can see, and the information. So if I click the complete button, you can see now here this is the complete. Okay, so let's check the website one more. Okay, now close the tab, and now I want to show you how to upload a product and edit a product. So if you need to upload a product on this website, you want to click the product tab and click the all product option. So you can see some product has been showing here. So now I want to edit this product and then view this product. Now this, you can see this product name is liquid sanitizer. Okay, and it has been 50 dollars, and some demo information. So we just change the name and the currency. I mean amount. So the liquid sanitizer, I just change the demo product and some demo content on the lorem ipsum. Just copy and pasting, and here is the title, product title, and the information here, and the regular price. You can see regular price. If I put the 100, so now I want to change the product image. This is the product image, so I just wait. I need to some new picture, this picture. Now save this picture. Okay, and close the window, and you can see the remove product image here. So I click the remove option and set a product image. So open a product image, and our product image has here. So I just drag and drop here, and it has automatically upload on our server. So now I set the product image button, and you can see the product has been uploaded here. And now we need to change the category healthcare, only healthcare, and the product tag only sanitizer. Okay, and now update. So this product has updated. So now close the window and refresh the web page. So you can see the name has been changed, and the amount has been changed, and the image has been changed. Also you can see category and the tags, the information. You can see I just copy the lorem ipsum, and here is the additional description and additional information. Review, now review has been 0 because this is the new website. And this way you can edit and upload any product on this website. There is more customization left on the website, which I want to show you in the next video. So I think you like the website, and you like this all of features. So that I can make you, please make me the winner on your contest, so that I can make you happy by developing this website more strong for you. Thank you, and I look forward to your message. And one more I want to tell you, I give the best service because I have already completed like this website. So feel free and make me the winner on your contest. Thank you.